Hey there, it's Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're about to explore the fascinating world of inventory management software, the silent hero behind successful maintenance and operations teams. We'll journey through its evolution, from its inception in the 1980s with simple barcodes, to today's sophisticated systems that utilize both UPC and QR codes. Are you ready to learn how this software has transformed industries, and how it's integrated into computerized maintenance management system and ERP systems, and how it's being used by companies like UpKeep? Then stick around for an informative deep dive, where we'll also reveal popular features and tools you should be using. Let's get started. Let's dive into the world of inventory management software. So what is it exactly? Well, inventory management software is a digital system that stores data on parts and supplies, giving you real-time insights on quantities and fulfillment needs. For those in the maintenance industry, these systems use barcode technology to track parts in a facility, which in turn increases repair speed and equipment uptime. The journey of inventory management software started back in the 1980s. It was a time when the retail industry was transitioning to standard barcode readers and adopting the Universal Product Code, or UPC. The software took a giant leap in the 1990s when a subsidiary of Toyota, Denso Wave, invented a two-dimensional graphical code system called Quick Response, or QR codes. Moving from one-dimensional codes like UPC to two-dimensional QR codes allowed for more complex information to be stored. This included a full audit trail across the entire supply chain, from manufacturing to sale to repair. And guess what? Even with the rise of QR codes, UPC barcodes are still in use, especially in the physical retail space. Many companies use both UPC and QR codes, and software like UpKeep supports each type. Now, let's talk about how different industries use inventory management software. Manufacturers, for instance, use it to assemble the necessary parts for complex product builds. Property management companies use the software to make sure they have supplies on hand for maintenance repairs, whether it's light bulbs, door hinges, or plumbing supplies. For facility and office managers, inventory management is used to stock sufficient supplies for IT support, office productivity, and employee safety. Inventory tracking and management is a core feature of computerized maintenance management systems. Maintenance teams need the right parts on hand to increase repair time and minimize equipment downtime. Inventory management in a computerized maintenance management system can be set up to recommend particular parts for a given repair and automate notifications when parts need to be reordered. But what's the relationship between inventory management, computerized maintenance management systems, and ERP software? For large corporations, inventory management is a standard part of enterprise resource planning, or ERP, where parts and supplies are one of the largest investments, alongside its workforce and locations. ERP is critical for maximizing revenue by reducing the expense of unnecessary parts and ensuring enough stock is on hand to meet employee productivity and sales demand. Traditionally, companies used a computerized maintenance management system for managing maintenance tasks and a separate ERP system for inventory management. But now, as computerized maintenance management system inventory management has become more sophisticated, many companies are integrating the two systems. This combined insight is particularly useful for capital planning, forecasting, and reducing deferred maintenance. Let's now look at some popular inventory management features. First, we have code generation and scanning. It's crucial to have a system that can read barcodes and generate new barcodes on its own. This ensures all parts are accounted for and captured in a system to associate the parts to locations, assets, and work orders. In terms of scanning, many computerized maintenance management system products have mobile scanning features that let maintenance workers scan barcodes with their smartphone. Next, we have purchase orders. Being able to generate purchase orders directly in your computerized maintenance management system allows everyone in the organization to take an active role in inventory management. It also tracks which vendors to use for ordering specific parts. Purchase order fulfillment can be set up to automatically update part quantities in the computerized maintenance management system. Then we have attribute customization. Every company uses supplies in different ways, and standardizing inventory data requires data customization. Think about all the associated values that would be helpful to include, such as location, category, cost per unit, vendor, and minimum quantity. You can add these values to your computerized maintenance management system and include them in CSV files when importing new parts. And finally, we have bulk importing. You can manually add inventory item by item or perform a bulk upload of new inventory with a CSV file. This is an important feature for organizations that have hundreds of parts and are adopting a new computerized maintenance management system. To wrap up, achieving world-class maintenance requires organizations to do more than focus on immediate repairs and preventive maintenance. They must organize all areas of the operation that make performing this work possible. One of these areas is inventory, and with inventory management software, organizations are more likely to have the parts they need when they need them. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the world of inventory management software. We've explored its evolution, its integration into computerized maintenance management system and ERP systems, and how it's being used by companies like UpKeep. We've also revealed popular features and tools you should be using. Thank you for joining us on this informative deep dive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For further information and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, the key to successful maintenance and operations teams is having the right tools and resources at your disposal. Until next time, keep up the good work.